Sa akin kasi, no, and if I'm going to really go back doon sa understanding, siguro wala talaga akong idea aside from the movies that I've seen. And
Right,
the movies
oo.
that I've seen basically focuses on either high functioning autism, wherein
Correct.
they're really focused on a particular skill, whether they're very good at playing the piano or the violin, or very good at math. Pero wala akong, kumbaga, emotional attachment to it, or even, should I say, parang involvement, until a relative became one,
Mhm.
until, as Checo mentioned, a very dear friend of me, become a parent to one. And doon ako mas, okay, so dito mas lalong na-develop yung curiosity ko to understand